Hi, I'm Vanetta from The Handyman's Daughter, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a deck railing planter. It can attach right on a wooden railing, and you can fill it with herbs to have like a little kitchen garden, or you can add flowers to really beautify your space. It's a really simple project. All you need is one 1x6 board. If you don't have tools like a miter saw, you can also just have it cut for you at the store. To get started, you just need to cut down the 1x6 board into whatever length you want your planter box to be. I got some inserts for the box to kind of hold some of the moisture in place because it dries out really quickly. So you'd want to make it long enough to fit that insert. Then you cut the two end pieces and a bottom piece. You use wood glue to hold all the pieces together, and then clamps usually help to hold the box together while you're nailing it down. You'd want to use exterior wood glue because otherwise it will break apart, but wood glue is actually stronger than the nails that hold the wood together. So if you use enough wood glue and some nails, it should hold up just fine. For outdoor projects, I recommend cedar because it doesn't rot and it stands up really well to all kinds of weather situations. In Seattle, we get a lot of rain and it doesn't warp or do anything, to rot or fall apart. I'll be adding some decorative hardware to keep it from warping over the years with lots of sun exposure and rain exposure. And then you can either use what's called a French cleat, and basically it's just you cut your board at a 45-degree angle and the two 45-degree angles lock together so that it doesn't go anywhere. You can also buy pre-made French cleats or other kinds of hardware if you don't have a table saw to cut that part. It makes it really easy to remove the planter box if you want to replant it with new things. You don't have to be hanging off the edge of your deck to do it. You can take the box off and replant it and then hook it back on. This project comes together really fast and really easy, and it makes a beautiful addition to any deck. You can plant whatever you want in them and they'll last for years and years. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You check back for more in the future.